can see the item number 2 here. So it's a primary holder. So we can start drawing from the front plane. So I am selecting the front plane and placing that normal to, making a sketch. So I am using line function here. So first I need to draw a center line from the center of this point towards vertical. Then I am selecting the line function again. And start drawing from here. We are just drawing a skeleton of the part. Okay, now we completed the skeleton, and now I am going to use the smart dimension function again. So the difference from the center line is 2.5. So I'm taking 2.5 from here. Then the outer diameter of this part is 6. So I am making this distance from the center is 6. And this part is 4. Distance from the center is 4 inches. Then you can see the distance from the top of the part is 3.5 inches. So I am making that 3.5. Okay, now we can put these dimensions in this skeleton. This is 0.625. this is 0.75, and the distance to this point from the bottom is 1.625, so I am putting that value here. And 0.625. And distance to this point is 1.875. 1.875. And to the top of this block is 2.875. So I am giving that dimension to 2.875. 2.875. And also one last dimension need to provide, that is the inner circle diameter, that is 2 inches. We can see that from here. So I am making that dimension to 2 inches. So we can see all dimensions are fully defined. So just click here, and now we are going to use another function named revolved boss. So you can see the part is already shows its 3D. This is the second item for the assembly. So we need to provide some hole wizard functions into this part. So we are selecting this face, normal to, selecting sketch here, and we are drawing a construction geometry with a diameter of 5 inches. It's 5 inches. So next we are making that, we are selecting the circle and right click. We can convert that circle to a construction geometry, and also I'm taking a center line, drawing from the center of the circle towards the right of the part. So now we can use the hole wizard function after exiting the sketch. Hole wizard. Here you can see the specification of the hole. It's 0.53 in diameter and 0.31 in depth. So it's a counter bore. So I am selecting legacy hole, and in the list I am selecting counter bore. So I can provide the parameters here. Counter bore diameter 0.53 and core depth is 0.31, and finally diameter of the stem is 0.33. So we selected all the parameters and changing this end condition to true all. Selecting the position and click somewhere in the surface, and after that we can locate the point and click. So we can see the counter bore. Now I am going to hide this construction geometry, so we don't need to use that construction geometry anymore in this part. So I am using another function named circular pattern. So first I need to select the features for the pattern. So I am selecting the hole. Then I need to provide the direction. So I am selecting this circle. So I need to duplicate that 6 times. So 6 already given. So click. Now we can see the counter bore. The holes are through all. Now we need to do couple of things here. So there are another bolt circle that shows at the top of this part. So we are going to draw that circle. We can get this bolt circle diameter from this part. It shows 2.875. So we are drawing a construction geometry for 2.875 diameter. Selecting this face, normal to sketch, circle, smart dimension, 2.875 diameter, so 2.875, click, changing that to construction geometry. Also I need to provide one center line starting from the center of the circle, moving towards the right. So all set. Now I can use the whole wizard function again. After exiting the sketch, whole wizard, and it's a tap and hold. So I'm taking straight tap function from the hold type, and the type is bottom tap and hold. It's default, so I am going to change that to tap and hold. 1/420. So I'm selecting the size 1/420 from the list, and shows the diameter is 0.2. So I am going to show custom sizing. The diameter changes to 0.2, and depth is 0.75, that already given, and the thread is 0.5, that is already in. So I am taking the position, clicking somewhere here and focusing the point that meets both the construction geometries. So here just click. Similarly we are using the linear pattern function. Before that I need to hide this construction geometry, so it's hidden. So I am using the circular pattern function again, selecting the feature as tap and hold, providing the direction, clicking this circle, and it's 6 in number, so it's 6 is already in here. So I'm just clicking yes. So you can see the tap and hold at the top of this item. Now we need to provide this hole with a 0.219 diameter. So I am selecting the front plane again, normal to, and selecting the sketch circle, and I am placing that circle somewhere here. It's 0.219 diameter, so we need to use this dimension function to provide 0.219 diameter. Click. Now you can see the circle in the front plane. So now I am going to use the extrude cut function and selecting direction to through all in both sides and click. So you can see the hole here. Now we can change the color by right clicking the part, and you can see the appearances here. Selecting the part again, so I am providing the second color. Okay, so you can save this as part 2, that means P2. Save. Thanks for watching.